My name's Connor Koch, and I go to South Ark Community College.
My name is John George, Warren High School, CBET.
My name is Clayton Bullard. I go to Arkansas High.
My name is River Davis, and I attend U of A in Nashville, Arkansas.
My name is Jay Peterball. I go to Warren High School, CBET.
My name is Rudy Mejia. I am attending UA Costat.
Hi, I'm Natalie Tuttle, and I go to UAHG.
Okay, my name is Caden Hall. I'm a second-year student at the U of A Hope Texarkana Tech Campus in Texarkana.
My name is Maddox Arnold. I attend U of A in Nashville.
My name is Caden Webb, and I go to South Ark.
My name is Xander. I go to South Ark.
We are here for the Weld-A-Thon.
South Ark Weld-A-Thon.
My favorite thing about today was working with my peers and learning how to work together and be more efficient as a whole.
Teamwork. I feel like I have a pretty good team, somewhat, and I think we did pretty good.
My favorite thing about today was working with people I didn't know really well out of my shop and enjoying to work together as a team.
Probably the teamwork we had and the communication.
Really just getting to work with my classmates in a competitive setting and do teamwork, even though we were all extremely stressed out.
My favorite thing is I definitely got to learn a little bit from doing this competition. I also got to work with my buddies. We enjoyed it very much.
The amount of teamwork and our understandability to understand my teammates.
I like that I get to miss a day of school and getting to come up here and work with my buddies.
Probably welding with my buddies.
I chose to weld because I found it interesting and it keeps me busy.
It's something I've always liked to do. My dad got me started on it when I was young.
Kind of been ran down in my family, and I tried it out and became pretty good at it.
I chose to weld because my brother got me into it and told me it was a really good trade.
The reason I started welding is because my grandpa welded. My dad does a lot of welding. My whole family's all weld, period, so carry on tradition.